Gay. Happy 50th birthday, Mare. Salamat sa Diyos at nakaabot ka ng 50 years of life. Wala akong ibang hiling sa'yo ngayong birthday mo kung hindi malusog na pangangatawan, malayo sa anumang sakit, at stay pretty and happy. Again, happy 50th birthday. Waiting na lang kami ng blowout mo dito sa Pinas. I wish you God bless.
Hello Canada. Hi everyone. Happy birthday Gayla. Stay happy and stay golden. See you soon my friend.
Happy 50th birthday, Gayla Arsadon Amores. Welcome to the fabulous 50s, where your back goes out more than you do. Wishing you good health, lots of laughter, and enough cake to forget how old you really are. Enjoy your special day. You've earned every gray hair. Good luck to your next 50 years.
Happy birthday, Maringgay! 50 ka na. Hintay na lang namin yung pakanton mo dito sa Pililya.
Hi, Gayla! Happy birthday, friend! Ano ba masasabi ko? Well, si Gayla, syempre, brainy yan, di ba? Ano nga namin yan, president ng class. So, trivia lang, dati no, nare-remember ko. Para may program noon sa elementary, sa Unit 1. May speaker tayong guest, then sabi ng speaker, parang nutrition month yun, sabi ng speaker. O, saan nakikita ang isda? Sabi ganun. Tapos may sumagot, sa palengke! Ikaw yun! Ikaw ang sumagot, Gay! Di ba may palengke? May tindahan kayo sa palengke? So, sabi nung speaker, tama! Sa palengke nga naman nakikita ang isda. O, di ba? Anyway, happy golden years! Ano, my friend? So, ano ba? So, well, wish ko ay magkaroon ka ng very beautiful life, full of love from your family and friends. Nandito lang kami, no? Kahit malayo tayo sa isa't isa, still you're in my heart forever. Ano, tandaan mo yan. Just continue doing what you're doing today, kasi na-appreciate at nakikita naman namin. Na-appreciate yan ng family mo, and nakikita naman namin kung gaano ka-value sa'yo ang family. So, happy birthday, friend. Enjoy your day. It's your day today. Enjoy this celebration with your friends there in Canada. Miss ka na namin. Sana maka-join ka na ulit sa ating activity. Ano? Mapicturean ka, masama ka na sa picture ng ating GC. Ano? Enjoy your birthday, friend. I love you.
Happy birthday, Gayla! Happy birthday, Gayla!
Happy birthday, Madam Gayla!
Hi, Gay! Happy birthday to our golden girl, my kumare, my BFF. Nawahay magkalungan siya ng Panginoon, napakawang buhay, maayos at magandang kalusugan. Take care and God bless you more with love and happiness. Happy birthday, Gay! Wish you happy 50! Mwah!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hi, best friend Gayla. Happy 50th birthday. Whenever I recall our earlier time, our childhood, our time in Bimapa, it always makes me smile. Throughout the years, though you're far already now in Canada, you always still remains in my heart as a good friend. And I do hope umabot tayo ng centenarian. And whenever na uwi ka, alam ko naman hindi mo nakakalimutan. So again, my my dear best friend, good luck to your journey and always take care of your health. I know you are happy with your family. Give my regards to your family. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo. Maligayang mami. Sabon lang yan ang nagdiya. Maligayang mami.
Oh, pinaproblema ng Diyos Kuya Mon.
Sa'yo. Dahil birthday mo. Regards to all Amores family. Happy graduation in advance. And congrats to Avery. And get well soon.
Happy 50th birthday, Mami!
Wishing you good health and more blessings. Sana makauwi na ulit kayo. Hopefully next year. Basta
No, today.
pag pinagkaloob ng Panginoon. Uy,
Happy birthday, Mami! Thank you sa blessing!
salamat sa inyo.
Birthday, God bless.
Mag-iingat kayo palagi mag-anak. Lalo ng mga bata. Salamat!
Hello po, Mami. Happy 50th birthday po.
Hi, sister. Happy birthday. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and all the happiness you deserve. Thank you for being such a wonderful sister and for always being there for us. May your year ahead filled with countless blessings, good health, and beautiful memories. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Gay. Wishing the happiest of birthday for the most wonderful sister. Praying for the God richest blessing for your over the year ahead. Happy birthday, Ate Gay.
Happy
Birthday!
Happy 50th birthday, Mommy! We love you, we miss you, and God bless you.
Gay, happy birthday to you. It's your golden years of life. Sana mapapa ang buhay mo, matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. At huwag natin kakalimutan lagi ang pagtawag sa ating Panginoon, kay Lord. Again, happy golden birthday sa'yo. I love you.
Hi, Gay. Happy birthday. More to come. And may the good Lord bless you of a good health always and long life. Enjoy your special day. Lots of love from Tatay and Nanay. Love you, anak.